Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. A few days back, I visited the Body Shop flagship store which is in River Walk. So today I'm taking you for a short tour to the Body Shop store and I'm going to tell you which special offers they have for Christmas. I'm sure most of you are known of this brand name, The Body Shop, and they have many branches in all over the world. We have only one branch in Botswana, which is in Riverwalk Mall. The day when I visited the Body Shop store, it was 26th of November, Black Friday sale. So the Black Friday sale, they have only body butters for promotion, which was 40% off for that day especially, and all other products including the gift boxes and the single items or products, they were 3 for 2. Yes, you are going to pay for 2 products but you can get 3 products. This promotion will last until 25th of December. During this festive season, Body Shop has great deals on all the products, and they have amazing scents, great spa collection, bath and body products, and the cosmetics range as well. The best thing which I like the most about the Body Shop products that they are naturally made, they are organic, although they are a little costly or expensive, but seriously guys, they worth it. Because if you have sensitive or delicate skin, you must try the Body Shop products. They are really amazing. Especially their tea tree oil products, their vitamin E products and their seaweed products are really amazing for sensitive kind of skin types. Body Shop is a world famous brand nowadays and you can get their branch in anywhere in the world. In Botswana, we have only one main store, the Body Shop, which is in Riverwalk. But at Clicks, we also can get the Body Shop products because they have the Body Shop range as well. So nowadays they are having all the products 3 for 2 promotion, which is going until 25th of December. So you guys can even go and grab your favorite cosmetic product from Body Shop. Well, in my perspective, if we guys have such kind of deals and promotions on different brands, we should immediately go and buy those kind of our favorite products, because the festive season has many great deals all over the world. The Body Shop has these kind of very cute little gift boxes which are specially made for this festive season. So if you want to buy some gift boxes to present it to somebody, you can even go and grab those ones. They are also on specials or promotions for 3 for 2. The good thing about the Body Shop products that they are naturally made and there is no harm for the skin after using the Body Shop products. And seriously, I have used them personally, so I don't regret if I'm spending on the Body Shop products. I hope you guys will like this body shop visit with me, and you will even get an idea if you want to buy something for your loved ones during this festive season. So this is the festive season, and during this festive season many brands are promoting, and many brands are giving different kind of promotional deals on their products. So this is the right time to go and shop a lot. The Body Shop also has cosmetics, and their cosmetics are also really amazing. And that same promotion 3 for 2 is applying on that cosmetic products as well. If you want to know much about the Body Shop deals and promotions, you can go and check their website as well. I hope after watching this video many of you are going to grab this opportunity from the Body Shop, which is giving you very great discount 3 for 2 on all the products in the stores. And last but not the least, let me show you the gift boxes. Yeah, these gift boxes are specially made for the festive season. This red gift box is really amazing. It's specially made for the Christmas time, and it has 25 different kind of cosmetics, the Body Shop cosmetic products inside for 25 days, like from 1st of December up to 25th of December. You can present this gift box to your loved ones. Its worth was in a local currency in Botswana, it was 1900 pula, which is not bad. And if I'm converting this 1900 pula in dollars, it will be around $160. So there were 25 different boxes and 25 different cosmetics inside from the Body Shop. I hope you also like these cool gift boxes. And this was all about my today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe my channel with the bell icon so you can get all the notifications for my upcoming videos. And this was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.